Arinla. There are two main words in that Oriki. The words rain and la. Rain here does not mean to walk, but it means to tickle. When a thing moves on you in such a way that it gives you a tickling sensation, then the word rain means to move on my body in a way that makes my body move, therefore to tickle. And la, as I've already explained in the Oriki, Arinla means to discipline. Arinla is therefore the child to be tickled and disciplined. And what does that mean? It means that this child is a child to be played with and also to be disciplined. The name has almost the exact same meaning as the Oriki, Arinla. In the bringing up of this child, we must balance joviality with strictness. We must be jovial with this child and at the same time be strict. Not too hard, not too soft. Arinla, after playfully tickling the child, also discipline the child. There must be days for plays, for laugh, and for joy, and there must be days for the rod, for crying, for discipline. That is the meaning of the Oriki. Arinla, Wàá Ṣere.